Swan's Island is really down East Maine. It lies southwest of Mount Desert Island, and it's a really strong lobstering community with a few summer people. This is Burnt Coat Harbor. It's the largest harbor on the island. Very large, but totally enclosed, so it's really well protected. There's lots of room for visiting boats. Even a few guest moorings are available. Not a lot of services, but there's a little store and a lobster co-op that you can get lobsters from. Off in the distance to the east, you can see Long Island, which is where Frenchboro is. And looking to the north, there's Acadia National Park in Mount Desert Island, and then Casco Passage with Buckle Harbor, which we love, and then Eggemogan Reach. Here's Esmeralda sitting on her mooring in the evening light with a few fellow yachtsmen. And this is the lobster fleet out in front of the lobster co-op. You can pull your dinghy up to the nice new dinghy float at the co-op, and we got great lobsters there, cooked them on board for dinner. It's a really nice place for a summer evening.